Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? Well, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Jeep Wagoneer Series 3 in River Rock. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, adaptive cruise control, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7282.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.